Hi guys, this is Jasmine with a Realtor. Today I'm going to show you a brand new renovated rental property located at 184 Central Link, Secaucus, New Jersey. If you need to commute to New York, I'm sure this is the perfect apartment for you. Let's check it out inside. This apartment has 3 bedrooms with 2 full baths. It features a very large living room and a dining room. This is a brand new renovated kitchen with all brand new appliances, new stove, new refrigerator. This house has a very good location. It's convenient to everything. It is close to park, school, transportation, and the major highways. If you need to work in New York, bus trip to Midtown New York is about 25 minutes only. So schedule a tour today and feel free to give me a call. I will be more than happy to show you in person. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and share our YouTube channel, and I'm looking forward to sharing more housing information with you. And follow us on Facebook and Twitter. See you next time.